Hey guys, it is Jonah and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be reacting to The Voice Season 18 finale, Thunderstorm and his cover song of What a Wonderful World. This is yet another song that Johnny West did on American Idol. He did a fabulous rendition of this song, and I can't wait to see what Thunderstorm does with this song. He is just as unique as Johnny, and I can't wait to see him put his own spin on this song, and I can't wait to hear his amazing tone with this song. So yeah, guys. But before I get into this video, please subscribe down below for more The Voice content. I'd really appreciate it. And let's get right into this video. Here we go. This is gonna be good. I can feel it.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue, and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, and the dark sacred night.
Nice.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful, wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, and also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying that I love you.
Nice.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Oh gosh.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Oh my gosh, man. Oh my gosh. He's amazing. Every time you hear him perform, you're just like, he's not even like, in my opinion, when I hear him perform, I'm just feeling like I'm watching him perform at the Grammys, perform at his concert. I'm not thinking that he's performing in a competition. He just is so unique, and he just blew that out of the water. Like, that was incredible. I absolutely love Thunderstorm. I love that rendition. It was so heartfelt and emotional, and it got me teary-eyed at the end there, and the falsetto was just, that was it for me. I just lost it. It was like, oh my gosh, it just takes you back and makes you, he's one of those people that captivates you, and if you're doing something else, and then you just watch him come on the TV, you're going to focus on him because he's so great at what he does. He has such a nice tone. He's so emotional. Everything about him screams star. I absolutely love this performance, and I can't wait to see if he wins the finale or not. whether he does or not, he is going to be a star in this industry. He is absolutely incredible, and I can't wait to hear more from him in the future, guys. Please, please, please vote for him. Please, please, please buy his original music that he already has. He is an absolute star in the making, and I can't wait to see more from him down the road. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I'll be back with more videos later. Thank you, guys.